Hello, I'm Evan with WooNinjas and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video shows how to sync LearnDash courses and quizzes using Google Sheets with the WooNinjas Import Export add-on. Navigate to LearnDash LMS, then Course Import or Export, and then enable the option called Google Sheet Compatibility. This allows the add-on to pull course data straight from Google Sheets, no CSV needed. Here, choose how often LearnDash should check your Google Sheet for updates. Every minute, once hourly, twice daily. Pick the option that fits your workflow. Now, prepare your course data using the default template available under the Import Course tab. Then click Share in Google Sheets. Set access to Viewer. Copy the share link. Return to the general settings of the add-on and paste the link into the Google Sheet import field. Click Update Settings to save. Then, navigate to LearnDash LMS, then Quiz Import Export, and then open General Settings. Also, enable Google Sheet Compatibility. This allows quiz questions and settings to be imported automatically from Google Sheets. Choose how often quizzes should sync with your Google Sheet. This schedule controls when the LearnDash Import Export add-on fetches and applies quiz updates automatically. Go to the Import Quiz tab and click Copy Default Template to Google Sheet. Fill in your quiz questions, answers, and settings using the provided template. Once completed, share the Google Sheet copy, the share link, paste it into the Google Sheet import link field, click Update Settings. Your quiz data is now fully connected. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.